Here is another retake of the 2004 Kone MonoSpace R7 MRL Traction lift at Milton Centro. I like that chime. Go to B. You all remember this roof? Back up to 1. I can treat this door open, but the door closed. Now to get to the, these toilets out there were the Styler space and the Gemini. That's what I did. It's a long corridor. Go to ground. Oh, I nearly clicked the wrong button. This one is powered by Kone EcoDisc. There's the fire alarm. Electronic, I'm absolutely no way touching that or else I'll get into trouble. Where is the fire indicating panel? And that's it.